Okay, so I kind of adjusted the what you call it, the gradient density, bum, gradient divisor. Bum, 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 bum. So that looks really cool. Cold world with joy and wonder. Bum, ba, dun, 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 bum, ba, dun, 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 dun. Bum, ba, bum, ba, da, ba, da, ba, na. Ba, da, 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 bum, bum, ba, da, da, bum, bum, ba, da, 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 bum, bum. So what I want to do is kind of make it a little bit. Let me show you. So let's go like this. Float length I equals length. So the length of I is going to go from 0 to 0.5, right? So we want to take, excuse me, I'm going to take 0.5 and subtract the length of I, and then divide by 0.5, and then multiply that by the color. So that'll inversely go from 0 to 1. Yeah, so it looks like a little shadow. By the light of under. Dance, go the world in joy and one thunder. Then let's just do the same thing right here. And see what that looks like. Oh, that's all the other stars. Okay, never mind. By the light of under. So let's go back to new start here. Let me show. Can I look at the crystals? Where are the crystals? Background stars, spaceship, D&D. Bum, bum, bum. 121 add true begin. Oh. Bam, bam, bam. Bum, bum, bum. Bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. At the night with to plunder, thunder, 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 thunder. So we can do that out here because it's using GL point chord. Hey, finding focus dev, what's up? I heard somebody say hiya, Jeff, huh? How you doing? Oh, I am just being a freak here. Let's see. Let's try to do that here. Let's go vector 2 UV. equals GL point chord times 0.5, or no, minus 0.5. If what? Doing good. Trying to avoid the thought of work tomorrow. Same here, bro. Same here. That's exactly what I feel like. Boom, boom, boom. I work at McDonald's. And actually today was really good. I mean, it went by so fast because I did so many things that I'm not used to doing. And I was like, they were like, do this. And I was like, I don't want to do that. And then I did it and I was like, oh, that's not so bad. And then they're like, do this. I was like, I don't want to do that. Then I did it and it was like, yeah, it wasn't so bad. And the day just flew by. Oh, I've been trying to get out of town to Walmart for a week. Haven't made it. So let's do this. Let's do a float. Let's do length of UV. Love. Let's call it love. So wait, how did I do that in the other one? Did I? Length? Is that? Oh, did I do? Is that a function? Oh, you can just. That's just a built-in function. Length of UV. Okay, and then what we want is the multiplier for the color. So we want this number right here. And then we're just going to multiply the colors. So let's go like that. So why don't we just go right here, 0.5. We'll just make this minus the length, divide by 0.5. And then we'll just multiply color. Okay, instead of drawing lines or points, lines just draw color, points now branch. Okay, so flower or the crystal. So let's multiply by love there. Game on, ba-dum, bam-bam, bam-bam. Bam-bam. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's not good. Oh, errors. Undefined variable love. But everybody, no. So wait, times love, float love, I made it right here. Why, what? What, computer? So there's, oh, there's not enough or there's too many parentheses. That's probably why. There we go. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, those look so cool now. Look at that. Oh, and then they have like this shadow. Interesting. But then these look kind of messed up. But that's all right. We can fix those. Those look so cool now. Okay. Okay, so instead of having that shadow's kind of cool, but let's go like this. Okay, these ones yeah, it depends on the size. I like how they look like that. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. That's so wild. Okay, so what's happening is the color is dropping to close to okay. So right here, let's just go vector 3 new color. No, let's just go F love equals, we'll calculate the color up here Bum, bum, bum. And then let's say if, excuse me, if we just want to know if they're close to 0. That's so cool. Okay, I'm just freaking out right now, kind of. So if flove.r, actually can't. Should I just do another? Bum, bum, bum. R is less than 0.1, and is this too many? .g is less than 0.1, and flove.b is less than 0.1. So if all of those are less than 0.1, then we'll just discard. And this really doesn't matter. It's not really that big of a deal. But let's see. So that's the flowers. Let's see. So now the flowers will not have that little background thing. Hold on. Chase the flowers. This guy looks really cool. Okay, where's a flower? Here, let's go over to a flower and have it fly in front of the star. Okay, it's cutting them off more. That's kind of interesting looking. Bum 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 bum. Yeah, that looks better. Oh, so let's do that with the crystals too. Oh, wow. Oh, well. Oh, well, 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 well. Okay, crystal. Bum, ba, bum. Oh, wow, oh, wow, oh, wow, 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 wow. Ba, ba, bum, 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 ba, ba, bum. Ba, bum, bum, ba, bum. So now it'll do the same thing for the crystals. Those it might be cutting off too much. Because they already have kind of a thing, I think. Let's just go like this. We might have to go even smaller in this number. There, that looks good, actually. Yeah, and they still have that neat little effect. That looks so cool. Okay, except for these. So the thing with these is it's the size. I don't actually have access to. Okay, so the only thing that differentiates those, and I forgot to save a new fragment shader, so that one just overrode the old one. Excuse me. So space planets. Let's look at the vertex shader. So fascinating art color grid type point size equals AGSTY, grid type equals AGSTXZ. Oh. Bum 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 Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so AGSTY. So that's just the size. We can just send that through. Well, we're not using this fascinating, so we could just change this for that. Although fascinating is used there. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, ba, ba, bum. Ba, dum, bum. So let's do this. In the planets, this is the one. Okay, so planets. Let's go look at it. Ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum. So in the planets, when we initialize, create 15 planets. Oh no, we don't do this though. Ethereal way, stillness. Init data, yeah, it does. Huh. The ethereal way. So the moons, what size are the moons? Smaller size, 12 plus 15. 15, so up to 27, right? Oh, there it is, 15 to 27. Past me, I actually did some good commenting. So if the size is 27 or less, so if agst.y is less than 28, oh, that's not even gonna, yeah, we just need a way to signal vertex ID. We need a way to signal the fragment shader, our color grid type. So is line grid type, okay. It's actually the flowers is what they are. Bum, 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 bum. We can have another one. Flower 3 grid type. So grid type Y greater than 7. So let's go into here. Oh, we'll put this after it's already assigned. Grid type.y. And then we just need to make it greater than 7, right? So we'll make it 9. So then it won't do that fading on the small ones. Oh, they look so weird though. What happened? They look so weird. What happened? Grid type.y, because previously they were like 5. Oh, okay, so that's all it was. And then what's with the middle one? That was one of the planets, but okay. I don't know why I was worried about that. I'm not even going to use this for the game. I'm just distracted. I'm distracted, as usual. This is so cool. Da-bam, da-bam. So let's make the middle one bigger. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh. It's 500? Ooh, yeah. Da-da-da. Oh, I see. There's a scale that I did. Scale base, scale factor. Groove, yeah. So crazy. All right. Okay, well, I gotta go put my bread into the oven. I'll be right back.
creates every day, emeralds in every way, building homes out of clay, villager dreams on display, crafting tools till night, trading under moonlight, farming fields so bright, villager lives take flight. All the magic we create, in this village it's our fate, trading tales at the gate, and the stories we narrate. Iron golems and tall, protect us through it all, cobblestone in the hall, villager life never small. Books and shelves line the walls, enchantments and magic calls, potions brew in our stalls, in our village each stream falls. All the magic we create, in this village it's our fate, trading tales at the gate, and the stories we narrate. Iron golems and tall, protect us through it all, cobblestone in the hall, villager life never small. Books and shelves line the walls, enchantments and magic calls, potions brewing in old stalls, in our village each stream falls. All the magic we create, in this village it's our fate, trading tales at the gate, and the stories we narrate.
Okay, so I really like these things, but excuse me. In the morning sun, I really like this. Calming storm, go to the stars, reach so far, spaceships fly in a digital sky. So let's see. Let's just put them first key tab to the final map. Every challenge faced in this coder's race. With this one we want it to be plus we want it to be iMod 3. Oh, so it's going to be 0, 1, or 2. So it's going to be 0, -1, 1, 0, or 2, +1. Okay. Bridges fly in this coder's race. Oh. Bum ba bum bum ba bum bum. And we want this to be floor. To the final map. Hold on. Now, if that doesn't that mean I have to cast that to a hold on. Thank you. I think I said that before, but just in case I didn't. In C++, if I is an int, can you help me do this? Oh, the floor value of I divided through automatically? Oh, okay, I didn't realize that. But then if it's the floor value, then we'll just go, we'll cast it to a float. Now we have 9 of them. Whoa, okay, hold up. What was that? I'm scared. Oh, I see, because update data. Computer, go back. The planet we roam, algorithms are home. Space we find, dun 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 dun. Bum ba 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 bum, in a cosmic grind. Bum ba dum ba da da. Actually, we should just do this. Put everything in an else. Put everything else in an else. Come here, come here. Right there. Like that. There we go. So everything else, like the background stars, moves according to the proportion of the size. These do not. Move according to proportion of size. Is that the way to verbalize it? I don't know. Bum, 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 bum. Do, 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 do. Okay, we can make them bigger now. I don't know, I'm just having fun with these. I'm supposed to be making a game. I'm so distracted. Do, do, dun, bum, 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 bum. Do, 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 bum, bum, bum. Bum, ba, ba, and I, ba, da, da, bum, 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 bum. Plus color pattern. Okay, so let's go like this. Let's go vector 3 NC equals bum 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 bum. If nc.r is less than 0.1 and nc.g less than 0.1 and nc.b is less than 0.1, then we'll just discard There, now they're not so abruptly rubbing against each other. Let's move them closer together on the X. Yes, it's the psychedelic asteroids. Bum, ba, bum, bum, ba, bum. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. Bum, ba, bum. Go up here to update data. I is less than 12. Did I leave this in? Son of a bean dip. Bum, 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 bum. Wait, where's it? Is this the other one? Bum, 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 bum. Ooh. Bum, 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 bum. Ooh, ooh. Oh, we're gonna go like this. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. There we go. Bum, 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 bum. I don't know, it's just beautiful. I think it's beautiful. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Dun. Do, do, do. Dun, dun, dun. I like how they fade out. And they look a little bit blocky, like pixel art. In this cosmic bazaar. Bum, 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 ba-da-bum. Bum, 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 ba-ba-dum. Bum, ba, bum, bum, ba-bum, ba-da-bum. So can I go here? Galactic Trading Square. Energy fills the air. What is this one called? Oh. Every treasures you'll find. Oh, it shows it. Okay, cool. So as long as I leave it going, it'll show over here. And then I can continue to work. And then up here in the corner, you guys are looking at that. Okay, that's cool. But simple pie, Jack from the sky. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 ba-da-da-da, bum 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 ba-da-ba-da-bum-ba-bum bum 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 bum. Mm-hmm. Dun 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 dun. Records on the way. Dun 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 bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Da 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 da. That would make a really good VTuber. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so let's just do. I feel like I've already been coding and doing really well, so. Jimmy is a young astronaut, has a ship that can only go to 50 units. You need to find the relative distance in n dimension of a vector u representing the coordinates of Jimmy and a vector v, which is the new place he wants to go. Dun 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 dun. Bun dun bum. Bun dun dun dun. Challenge, here we go. An integer rounded n for the dimension of space, a vector u in dimension n, a vector w in dimension n. Galactic algorithm, in the stars we find rhythm. Ba-dum. Oh no, they're space separated. Bum bum ba bum. Bum ba bum. Bum ba bum ba da da bum. Ba da bum. Bum ba ba bum bum ba da bum. Bum ba bum bum ba da bum. Outer states. The lines take form in the code, a new norm. Galactic. Ba 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 ba. It got me. Ba 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 da ba dum. So we need a vector. Ba 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 bum. Challenge, here we go. Ba dum 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 dum. Ba dum 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 dum. Bum ba bum ba da ba. Ba bum. Galactic algorithm. In the stars we find rhythm. Dun 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 dun. Bum ba 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 da ba 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 bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. In the code, a new norm. Okay, so. Galactic algorithm, in the stars we find rhythm. Ba-dum. Infinite night. Dun 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 dun. Bum ba bum ba bum ba bum. Bum ba bum bum ba 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 da da bum. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh, wait a minute. Outer states. Dun, 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 form. I don't know what I'm doing. A new norm. Let's just put it into a vector so that we can push them. Outer states. Dun, 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 take form in the code, a new norm. The relative distance in n dimension of a vector u representing the coordinates of Jimmy and a vector v where his place he wants to go. I'm confused. Blue. Okay, so a vector. And we'll call it Jimmy. Okay. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Push back. Bum 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 and squad. Dreams in the distance. Dun, na, 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 na. We hold tight. So Jimmy should then have that and that. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, 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 bum. Then we'll do I string stream. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. A world we share. What should we call this? Destination? I don't know. While ISS2 to do other things. And then guitar dreams in the distance. 4 9 nights we hold tight. So see out. Friends through the darkest night. Bum, 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 bum. Just to see if that all worked. Oh wow. It worked. Enlightened adventures. A world we share. What a weird way to extract. Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. Friendships pure as gold. Did our dreams in the distance. Okay. An integer round. So what is it now? Find the relative distance in n dimension. An integer rounded n for the dimension of space. What dimension of space are we in? Should I ask that question? I don't want to know. What dimension of space? 2? What does that mean? How does that help? So you need to find the relative distance in 2 dimension of a vector u representing the coordinates of Jimmy. 2 dimensions? Is that why a vector u in dimension n? Oh, so this should be n. Such a weird dimension. 6 dimensions, and then we get 6 numbers. You need to find the relative distance of a vector u representing the coordinates of Jimmy and a vector, which is a new place he wants to go. And the int for the distance between all the points of the 2 vectors. Tells us that Jimmy can go to the new place with his ship. Oh, so we just want to know the distance? So wait a minute, if you're given a 6-dimensional point, how do you find the distance between 2 6-dimensional points? Add them all up, add up all the, add up all the squares, and then take the 6th root. Do we have POW? I think we have POW. So I guess we can take the 1 over the POW, 1 over the n dimension. Okay, so let's add them all up and square them all. Bum 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 ba bum bum ba bum bum bum. Outer space. Dun 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 dun. Bum ba bum ba ba da bum. So wait a minute, an int for the distance? Total distance. This isn't gonna work. I am almost 100% sure we're not gonna get this one. Thanks for tuning into the stream today, kids. Have a great day. So what do we want to do, Jimmy? That plus that and then square it? Underneath the starry moons. And then can we just pow it? So pow that, comma 2. And then what does that return? Pow int promote int. What it does it? Bum 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 da da dun dun da da dun bum 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 bum. I don't think that I'm trying to figure it out. So it's that, but because it's power 2, we want to go total distance, and then we want to go pow total distance, comma 1 divided by n, right? So does that give you? No. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, we're done. Thanks for tuning into the show. Okay, how in the... Oh, thank you, bro. I can't read this. Readability. I tell you what. Unbelievable. 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 Float R. I'll flow your R. Scan F. Who are these people? Just the fact that this works in this browser compiler is just d equals round to square root of r. No or yes. Dun, dun, dun. I didn't know there was ternary in C. That's cool. Well, there you go, folks. Good luck with that one. Python. A little bit easier to do in Python. A little bit easier. Oh, not that one. This one's easier. Theoretically. Alright, what did he get wrong? Oh, no world. I was lucky to extract the data, let's put it that way. Stick to graphics, Jeff. How dare you respawn? You know what I think I want on this? I don't want the lines and whatever, planets and moons. Alright, anyways, I gotta get ready for bed, so... breaking through the haze. Who is at least on? Let's go down to the bottom. Kim and Jax. Heat 51, I don't know. TCAP. Dee Dee. Hey, let's see if we can. I learned to see. I can hear. Yeah, let's see if we can raid Dee Dee. Because my bread's about to come out of the oven. Hold on. Where's the thing? Raid channel. Search and filter Dee Dee. Doesn't show up. Computer? I will always fade away. No channels found. Am I not getting the name right? To lead, I am here to help you through. D-Dance 85. Oh, maybe she doesn't accept raids. Okay. So let's just go Jonathan Ong. He's really cool. See if he will accept a raid. Yep. Really cool music, you guys. What is he doing? Naturally. Okay, 3 viewers. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for being here. I try to stream more as I get less tired after work, I guess you could say. I don't know.